Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious and easy blackberry cobbler. It's the perfect dessert for any occasion and comes together in just a few simple steps. We're Sean and Heather. Let's get started.
Here's what you'll need. 1 stick of butter, 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of milk, and 2 cups of blackberries, and you can use either fresh or frozen. First, melt the butter in a microwave dish. In a mixing bowl, pour 1 cup of sugar and the flour. Then whisk in the milk. And you want to mix this really well. Next, pour in the melted butter and whisk it all together until it's smooth. If you find there are a few lumps that are not easily whisking away, you can always get rid of them by pressing them against the side of your bowl with a spoon. Butter a 9 by 13 inch ceramic baking dish or glass baking dish, or in our case, 2 8 by 8 baking dishes. Rinse your blackberries and pat them dry. Pour the batter into the buttered baking dishes. Sprinkle the blackberries over the top of the batter, distributing them evenly. Then sprinkle 1/4 cup of sugar over the top. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour, or until the cobbler is golden and bubbly. If you like, sprinkle an additional teaspoon of sugar over the cobbler 10 minutes before it's done. Once baked, remove the cobbler from the oven and let it cool slightly. Enjoy it with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. And that's how simple it is to make a blackberry cobbler.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to see how my grandmother made her peach cobbler, watch this peach cobbler video. See you next time for recipes as easy as 1, 2, 3.